Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So I'm actually doing the intro of this video a day later, but pretty much you guys, I spent a good chunk of yesterday creating and baking a birthday cake for myself with my sister. So recently I kind of got inspired by number cakes. I was looking at, I guess, like a lot of YouTube tutorials, a lot of Instagram pictures of number cakes, and I know there was a huge trend like a couple years ago, and I feel like the trend kind of died down, but I always wanted to do a number cake like for my birthday, and with quarantine and just being at home, I felt like it was the perfect opportunity to kind of give it a try, and I filmed it for you guys. So pretty much in this video, you guys are going to see my sister and I struggle and have fun and create this like amazing cake that honestly looks so luxurious, and when people see the cake, they literally are like, wait, what? You made that? Like, it looks so luxurious, but you guys, it is so easy to make. There's very like easy steps, and I broke it all down for you guys. So pretty much in this video, you're going to see me creating my birthday cake. So if you guys are interested in seeing the process of how I made my cake, then make sure to keep on watching. And before I do continue on with the video, I just want to say that I had, of course, a lot of inspiration. I did a lot of research on different cake recipes, meringue recipes, like cookies that we put as toppings for the cake, as well as the buttercream frosting. So I'll have all those links down below for you guys to check out. I honestly am so impressed with all the recipes that I kind of used as a guide for this cake. So you guys should definitely check that out if you want more details on what I'm showing you guys in the video. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. You're gonna need, obviously no in particular order, you need some cocoa. You're gonna also need some baking powder. You're also gonna want some baking soda. You're gonna need some flour. You obviously need some sugar. You're gonna want some pure vanilla extract, some table salt, 2 eggs, and you're gonna need some milk and some vegetable oil. We're gonna be making the buttercream frosting. So we're gonna start off with some unsalted butter to make the buttercream frosting. We're going to need some icing sugar as well. You're going to need some pure vanilla extract or just any vanilla extract. And if you're not using salted butter, so I'm using unsalted butter, I'm going to need some salt. So that is pretty much it for the birthday cake. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you think it looks good, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And of course, again, all the details of the recipes that I used will be listed down below in the description. If you guys want more details, check that out. And if you guys liked this video and you want to see more baking videos from me, then make sure to comment down below and let me know. I know I recently talked about going on kind of like a sugar-free diet, but you guys, it's my birthday. I'm gonna obviously have cake. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.